How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you the best RAW ACCEL settings for 1600 DPI for Counter-Strike 2. So let's get started. The base setting, which is going to be the sense multiplier, is going to be at default. Same thing with the XY ratio and the rotation right here. Now for the acceleration, I suggest choosing linear. For acceleration, you want to use 0.02 or 0.035. So I'm going to be using the 0.035. For the cap type, you want to select output. And basically for the cap output, you want to select 1.4 to 1.6. I'm going to be using in between, which is 1.5. For the input offset, you could use 0. Now for the in-game settings of your Counter-Strike, you want to set your DPI to 1600. Your in-game sensitivity will then be 0.4 to 0.7, and the eDPI target is going to be 800 and 1000. Now let's explain why this sensitivity works. Basically, we have higher DPI, which is smoother for micro adjustment. The low acceleration is for those consistent aims. And for cap is for the faster flicks without losing control. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.